All right, so this is site of the week, and it's one of the most beautiful websites I've seen in a while. And again, it is from Shopify.
Command AI.
As you see, when we load the site, there is this glitchy effect. At the first sight, I thought that's glitching or lagging, but it's not. It's just how the effect is. And as we scroll, we see some really nice imagery, and we see how these masonry layouts come together. And I'm like, why did I never think of this? Like for masonry layouts that I have built in the past, it's really nice. Then we scroll, we have this clock, and so far you're like, yeah, this is quite nice, but there is nothing crazy about it, right? It's just nice. What is so crazy about it? Well, what is so crazy about it? This pill. You click it, and now all of a sudden you have this interdimensional view of the site where if I bring the mouse down, it's like the camera is looking down the page and I can see the rest of the content down, and I can scroll. You see the clock? It's there. It's so trippy. It's so freaking cool. It's just such a simple concept. If you just think of the idea, it's very simple. But look, I can look up and I can scroll up among like between the layouts, and it's just insanely, I don't know, it's so creative, it's so beautiful. And as I said prior to the show, I said this is a really short scroll. It's not like one of the other projects that they've done that it's like really long. It's super short, but it has some content in it. There is this slider, you can watch the content, and there is this nice player that you can open and close. So there are more details to it, but yeah, short and very, very punchy, taking the designer Twitter by storm because how beautiful and creative it is. Again, another amazing job from the Shopify design team.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.